Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Firstly, I would like to introduce our guest, which is Ain Nazira binti Muhammad Nawi, which is a food technologist in Bond Food Industries in Myanmar, right? Thank you, Miss, for making your time for us. So, how are you today, Miss?
I'm doing well. Thank you, Hamiza.
Now, of course, we want to know a little bit about our guest, Hilary. So, Ain was graduated from University Putra Malaysia, UPM, with degree in Food Science and Technology in 2015. She started her career in the wine food industry in Myanmar as soon as she graduated and managed to get the permanent position of food technologist in 2021. So, without wasting any time, I would like to start this interview with your job scope as a food technologist.
Um, Thank you, Hamiza. As a food technologist, we're basically in charge for all food production in a company, as well as the layout of the factories, the safety of the employees, and also the progress of the machine. Because basically, the food technologist uh, is someone that can solve any troubleshoot that happen in the factory. If we have any problem, then the food technologist will be solve it. We we no, our job scope is very wide. I would say like 80% of the problems will be find out solution from us. Uh, we have to know everything about the safety, about the production, about the machine, about the design of the of our factory. We also have to know because all of these components have their own have what would I say that something that happened in the factory is all about money. Okay. Just a little. Maybe we see it as a little problem, but in the factory, the little problem, um, the little problem that uh, the little problem that happen will waste our money. Money is everything in the factory. So if anything happen, we have to solve it as soon as possible.
I see. I really didn't expect food technology to have a huge range of job scope. Um, Earlier, I assumed that food technology only involved with machine in the factories. By the way, thank you, Miss Ain, for this new information. And Miss Ain, I am actually very curious to know about the differences between the job or as a food technologist with, with quality control. Because in the food technology, quality quality control is a very common career that I have heard before.
Okay. So basically, quality control or QC that we know only in charge with the product or quality of food quality. As what I say, food technologies is all about the products, the work, the employers, the manufacturer. But the food quality control is only about the product. The QC specific to the product, but food technologies, product, machine, layout, everything.
Thank you again, Miss Ain. So now for the next question, I would like to know about what is the skill or qualification that are preferred for this position.
So in terms of education, as you know, as food technologists, you have to hold a degree in food technology, of course. And for permanent position, we prefer someone that have experience, such as experience in taking some samples and doing some analytical laboratory skills. Yeah, the most important thing is the skill in microbiology, because as a food technologist, you have to do some research about the product. You have to know everything about the product. You have to study about the product. So microbiology skills is the most important thing in being food technologist. Um, don't worry if you're some fresh graduate don't have some experience. We will consider the fresh graduate for internship in my company. If you don't have any experience, don't worry. We have the um what we said internship. I think as a internship, you, you can learn more about the food technologies. But the most important thing, you have to be ready to learn about new things, because there are variety of new equipment. Machine is always upgrade. We maybe in our university years we uh, we know about that machine, but in factory we use another machine that upgrade from technologies that come from German, British, US, more and more. So when you get an internship as a food technologist, just be ready. Just be ready, because you get to learn a lot of things. You have to know a lot of things, and you must not afraid to try new things. You have to learn, and always learn. I'm pretty sure that some of you had currently doing your final year project, right?
Right.
So basically, same as project is unsuccessful, we have to find out what causing the problem and how to overcome it. Because food technologies is someone that has to find solution from the troubleshoot. We don't know what troubleshoot that will come to our company, so you just have to through it.
Oh, I'm sure some of them here are already have the skills and excited to look forward for this career in the future. All right, Miss, since you have been working in the same industry for the last 5 years, what is your biggest challenge that you have faced during that period?
Okay. I think my biggest challenge is during pandemic, because it is a new thing for us to adapt at that moment. Before the pandemic, I usually consulted my colleges face to face, but during pandemic, I have to learn using the online platforms such as Webex, what else, Zoom, Google Meet. For the first couple of months, it have been rough way because of the you know internet connection problems, and of course it was not easy, but my team and I managed to overcome it together. And something we still be using the online platform from time to time, because it's how the world's going on.
I agree with your opinion. So I also believe that the pandemic has given us a lot of difficult times, and especially for the working people and students. but thankfully, COVID-19 nowadays is already declared as endemic, and we can go back to, to our old life. I hope everyone is still with us now. May I see some reaction? All right, I can see some reaction here. I already asked Miss Ain about the biggest challenge. So now, how about the things that motivate you to keep working on one food industry company?
Good question, Hamiza. I think that everyone has different things that will help them to be motivated. And for me, it is my environment. I live my working environment as they will always supporting me and helping me during these years. I believe that if we were in a toxic or negative environment, it will affecting our mental health and also making us not happy or feel depressed.
See, I agree with that opinion. Now, we're jumping to our last question. May we know what is your contribution towards the community as the food technologist?
Okay, wow. This is really a big question. What is it? So, as food technologists, we are accountable for the product safety and quality because they may be consumed daily by thousands of individuals. Our product have to meet the consumer needs, right? Okay. We also work to raise the productions, compositions, and sensory qualities of food products. Um, you know, company have to keep their qualities because if not, their product will be buy from the consumer lah. Okay. But okay. Uh, yeah, we maintain our safety, our quality. Right? We have to know that food safety have their guideline. So we have to ensure that our product is in the food guideline that's set by business firm and society, as well as food law. No, we have to follow the food law. If not, our product will be rejected by the by the by the you know by the inspections of food quality products.
So we're gonna end our interview. So a big thanks to Miss Ain and everyone. So there's a lot of information we got today. And again, big thanks to Miss Ain. And I would like to wrap wrap up this interview with a quick photo session. I hope that everyone can open their camera and be with us to capture this beautiful moment. Come join us to capture this moment. Vika, can you open your camera?
Sorry, my camera wasn't working.
So you can open your camera, Afika. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Freestyle. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Miss Ain. I hope we can see you again in the next